I'm going to try to explain. This is a small diagram that I make here. This is what they call a thermostat, 110 volts. This is what they call a fan coil, chill water. I'm going to try to explain in 2 minutes how this can be wired. It's very easy, it's not difficult. Line 1 and line 2 is the neutral. You see the neutral right there? Because this is only 110 volts. So the line 1 is 110 volts, and the line 2 or neutral, which is a white wire. So all you need is a black. This is the power going to the thermostat, and this is the white going to the thermostat. Once you put these two wires to the thermostat, you should have a display on the thermostat so you can do your settings. All they're doing here, very easy. If you put line 1 thermostat, line 2 is neutral, which is the white wire, then all that you have left is 3 speeds: low, medium, and high. These models come with 3 speeds: low, medium, and high. All you have to do is choose the colors, any colors that they have here. Like the red is low, the medium is blue, and in this case the high is a brown wire. So you have red, blue, and brown, 3 speeds that you connect to the thermostat. L for low, red, medium for blue, medium speed, and the high on the thermostat is the brown wire going to the high speed on the motor. So you're done with the power and you're done with the 3 speeds. You only have 2 wires left. One is for cooling, one is for heat. Some of these units do not have heat, so you don't have to worry about it. The next wire that you have here is the yellow. You see this yellow coming from the thermostat going to the actuator. This is a 110 volts actuator. One side, and this is the other side. One side goes to neutral. All these components, the heat relay, actuator, the motor itself, the thermostat itself, goes to the neutral wire. The other side is the black wire. That's all they're doing. They're breaking the line side, which is the black. So you see the actuator comes here to the cool switch. To one side of the actuator, the other side is neutral. So this is the yellow wire. If you follow the yellow, see right there, yellow, follow it. One side of the actuator, the other side is the neutral. Same thing with the heat relay. One side is the one that is breaking on the black wire. In this case, if you follow whatever color they use here, sometimes they use orange. Most of the time they use orange wire. So if you follow the orange, it goes to the one side of the heat relay, the other side goes to neutral. Actuator, one side, the yellow goes to one side of the actuator, the other side goes to neutral. The EFM, one side is neutral and the other is the 3 speeds. The only thing you have left is line 1 and neutral. It's very easy. I understand we don't do this every day, but if you try it, you read it, you look at it, it becomes easy. There's not really much you cannot get loose, because they always use the white wire as a neutral, and they use the black wire as a line 1. The other colors you can choose as you go for the speeds. Cool actuator, and sometimes they do not have heat, so you only have 1, 2, 3 will be 5 wires, and the cool is 6 and sometimes 7 wire. Okay, hope this helps. Have a wonderful day. This thermostat is made by Honeywell, but any thermostat can be wired the same way. Thank you.